How to get Microsoft Word for Windows and use it for free. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can get Microsoft Word for the Windows and use it for free. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So if you want to use Microsoft Word for free in your Windows, so for that, first of all, you have to go to your Microsoft Store. Click on the search icon and then search for Microsoft Store. Once you have opened the Microsoft Store, make sure that you're logged in with your Microsoft account. So here in the search bar, search for Microsoft 365. Scroll down a bit. If you see here, so these are all the Office packages that you have to pay some amount. But if you navigate to this Microsoft 365, this is the free Office package that you can use in your Windows. So in order to get it, there you will have a get button where I have opened since I have already installed it in my device. If you have not installed it yet, you will have get button. Simply click on get and this Microsoft 365 will be installed in your device. Once it is installed, you can open the Office Microsoft 365 and use the Microsoft Word for free after you log into your Microsoft account. So in this way, you can use or get Microsoft Word for free in your Windows 11. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.